So here's another pretty thrifty hack that I'm gonna show you. So if you've noticed, these brand name mascara, like 9 to 11 bucks. I think I have one in here that's like $12 because there's 2 in there. So I don't know how much mascara you guys use, but after a while it gets to be pretty expensive. So the key is to either find it on sale, which, I mean, that's few and far between, or the idea to keep things a little bit cheaper is to take the brush of the old one and then take a baby wipe, and then I'm just gonna wipe it off, right? Get that good. So this is after I've already used the mascara to get it all nice and clean. So now essentially we've got a somewhat cleaner brush. I'm gonna keep this, and then rather than spend the 12 bucks on this, I'm just gonna go and get a generic mascara, and then I'm going to get rid of that crappy brush, and then I'm gonna use this one that I'm basically paying the $12 for and use it inside this one. And then I'm still getting more bang for my buck. So check at your dollar store, things like that. Mascara is mascara, right? And if you don't want to be that discerning, or you don't believe me, that's totally fine. Bring on the haters. You go and look at the active ingredients in your mascara. Black is black, right? So just check the active ingredients in the brand name against maybe the cheaper one, and then you can see the difference. So don't take my word for it, give it a try. But if you want to save some money, that is a nice beauty hack. So until next time.